Choose Stitch 20 from Mode 1. The size of the buttonhole is automatically set by placing the button in the rear of the automatic buttonhole foot R. The button holder of the foot takes a button size up to 1 inch in diameter. Pull the button holder to the back and place the button in it. Push it together tightly on the button. Making sure the needle is in its highest position, attach the automatic buttonhole foot R, snapping the pin into the groove of the foot holder. Lift the presser foot lifter to the extra lifted position when placing the automatic buttonhole foot under the foot holder. When selecting buttonholes, the LCD screen will advise you to lower the buttonhole lever. Lower the buttonhole lever and raise the presser foot. Draw the needle thread to the left through the hole of the foot. Place your fabric under the buttonhole foot. Lower the needle at the starting point by turning the hand wheel. Start sewing while pulling the needle thread lightly to the left. After sewing a few stitches, free the thread and continue sewing. When the buttonhole is finished, the machine will stop automatically with the needle in the up position. Remove the fabric and place a pin just below the bar tack to prevent accidentally cutting the stitches. Cut the opening with a seam ripper. When the buttonhole sewing is finished, push the buttonhole lever upward as far as it will go.